Well, now I'd like to welcome Zhu Fei from Dahua to Interpol World Television. Zhu, thank you for coming along this evening. What innovative surveillance solutions are Dahua bringing to the market?
Okay, actually, Dahua, you see, from the beginning, we are just from CCTV manufacturers, but now we are solution providers. This time in Interpol, we provide lots of solutions like the parking solutions, traffic solutions, command center solutions, and positioning solutions, facial eye solutions, and 4K IP and 4K analog solutions, and the facial recognition solutions, and the deep learning solutions.
Now, can you tell me about some of the larger projects that Dahua has carried out in the region and why you were chosen for them?
Okay, Dahua actually, we set up an office 2 years ago in Singapore. We got some projects like the HDV illegal parking, HDV lift, and like the LTA projects. And in commercial side, we got projects in NTU and Singapore Poly and some large shopping mall and hotels. And in nearby countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand, we got projects in surveillance city, in the airport, in the traffic solutions.
So, how important has Interpol World been to your exposure this year?
You see, Interpol, it's the first time we joined this exhibition, and the first impression for me is that it's very professional. It's very professional, and I think for us, as a CCTV supplier, CCTV manufacturer, it's a very good place for us to show our abilities. Yeah, previously people will say, oh, Dahua just a CCTV manufacturer for cameras, but actually, we are from the end-to-end solution providers. So as I mentioned previously, we provided from the parking solutions, traffic, and IP4K, HD analog 4K, and a lot of things. So it's a good place for us to show our ability to the customers, to the end users, to the installers in Singapore and the nearby countries. So I think it's very good. And the next time I will join again.
So with the proliferation of IP-enabled devices, cybersecurity is becoming much more important. What is Dahua doing to make sure that your IP devices are as secure as they can be?
These are good questions. Actually, yeah, now this is a hot topic all the world, especially for the safety, right? And because more and more cameras will install all the world, and the people will talk about it a lot. And Dahua is one of the biggest manufacturers in surveillance solutions. So we also pay attention about it. That's why we build our own Dahua cybersecurity centers. And secondly, we thought it's not only belong to one company, it belongs to all these industries. That's why we work together with other companies. For example, in the May of 2017, we work with the Synopsys companies. So we cooperate with them to let them to help us to enhance our ability to improve the quality of our network of things, products, and solutions. This is what we do, and it's just started. We will pay attention always in it because it's very important for the users, for our customers.
How do you see the market changing in this region in the next 5 years, and what upcoming technologies excite you?
This time you see people ask for more clear pictures. They want to see more details. So now we launched 4K solutions. I think it's a cheat, no doubt. So 4K solutions, we provide 4K IP solutions and 4K HD CVI, HD analog solutions. This kind of HD analog solution was developed by Dahua ourselves. Yeah, and secondly, I think is about AI deep learning. This kind of technology can let you to recognize the people's face, recognize the gender, age, and your face, body shape, and your hair color and hair length, and so on. And with Dahua's AI technologies, we can recognize the 80 people's face in 40 milliseconds. Yeah, in that short time. So it can be used in lots of things, in the airport, in the escalator, and also in some shopping mall and so on. Even some places very crowded, we can detect. So I think it's another one. And thirdly, I think is cloud. And now people, you see, for the civilians, a lot of data it cannot store it keep on the hard disk anymore. So we talk about, we say it's about clouding. And in the clouding, you can use some kind of technology, deep learning or some kind of new technology to get the useful information. I think this is another important thing. And last is IoT. Yeah, IoT now in the smart city, there are lots of kind of sensors. So this kind of IoT can lead to build the city to be a smart city.
Well, it's been absolutely fascinating finding out about what Dahua are bringing to your first time at Interpol World. Thank you for giving up your valuable time to talk to us on Interpol World Television.
Thank you, Philip. Thank you.